Hello all, Jamie here from Craftmania, and we are back with another unboxing, and today we have got quite a few new goodies, if I remember rightly, to share with you from one of our suppliers that we absolutely love getting little orders from because it's such a varied selection of goodies. Now in here I have a feeling we've got some Tim Holtz papers, we've got some very exciting new pens. We'll have to see what else we can find, shall we? But as always, it will be a box of treats. Now, by the time you're watching this, all of these goodies will be available for you on the website, and of course, they'll be available for you in store here at Craftmania. So you've got a couple of options. You can pop in and see us. We are located at 5 Hewitt Road, Captain Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Or of course you can pop online to www.craftmaniacrafts.com. Now all of the new goodies will be in the new section, but of course you can shop by brand and you can shop by product on the main menu. So what's in here? What are these new goodies I mentioned? Well, here is one of them straight off the bat. These are Tim Holtz Ideology 12 by 12 papers, and this is the Palette Collection Pink. So as you can see, absolutely beautiful vintage papers like we would come to expect from our dear Tim Holtz. They're all 12 by 12, and in here you've got 12 papers. So there's a few of those coming out of here. I have a feeling you're going to see these in a few colourways, sorry. So there's also a red version going on as well. Different patterns, obviously, but all schemed kind of a red pattern idea. Some might cross over, but it looks like there's going to be some unique designs in here as well. These are, of course, double-sided, so if you don't like one side, do not fear, you can always use the other. Then we've got the orange collection. So we've gone from pink, we've gone from red, and we are now moving on to the beautiful orange. They're all a bit yummy, aren't they? I think I need all of those. Then some back in stock goodness from Sweet Dixie. So we've got the rosebud die. If you've never shopped Sweet Dixie before, oh my goodness, are these great prices. You will be very impressed at the recommended retails on these. There is also the leafy scroll die too. We do literally hundreds of Sweet Dixie dies, covering just about every topic and style and occasion you can imagine, including cute little babies, giraffes and elephants on this one. Perfect for all occasions as well. So we've got a little bit of Easter coming in here too. That one's just sold out, so is now returning. And then there is a lovely corner element. And talking of occasions, we have got the very last skull. Now this is part of the Halloween collection. That was the very last one they had available. I don't know if that will come back, being honest with you, so you might want to get that way you can. Something else that is brand new to us, Pronty albums. This is a brand we've never carried before. These are A5 chipboard albums where you can choose whether you put strings through them, chords through them, rings through them, whatever you choose, but you're going to be able to build up to make this really cool photo album with a camera theme to it. They're going to look incredible, aren't they? So they're new. There is also, which I really love the idea of, a TV version. So a little TV set as well. Again, all cut, different layers for you to build up to make those little mini albums. How cool are they? I think they're going to be very popular. There is some Mod Podge coming back in stock. There is a couple more Sweet Dixie dies as well. These, of course, are really beautifully intricate squares with all different patterns running around the edges of them. That's a really nice idea. Then we've got, I had a feeling there was going to be more. These are the 8 by 8 versions of those 12 by 12s we had a little look at earlier. So again, brand new papers from Tim Holtz under the Ideology collection. And again, we've got the pink one. I'm going to go out on a limb here. I'm going to predict there's going to be more colours. We'll see what we find. Then again, another brand new brand to us here. This is the, I'm going to attempt this, Dutch Doobadoo. Dutch Doobadoo. We're going to go with Dutch Doobadoo. And these are little cards that go onto the holder. We're going to find the holder in just a moment. But you have got the chipboard ones, you have got the white ones, and you have got black ones, all coming to you in different sets. This I was really excited about. If nobody wants to buy these, do not fear, I would like all of them. So don't feel obliged to go and purchase this. I want to play. This looks like lots of fun, and I can't wait to have a go. We're going to have to find the, there you go. We'll go to the holders next, shall we? So this is your holder. So your holder's built up. It's, of course, MDF. It gives you all of the pieces you need. It builds to create this effect. Then you pop your pages onto those little rings. And then you've got like a Rolodex that you have created. I can't wait to play with this. I'm genuinely really, really excited. I see some examples online and I was like, oh, I've got to have a go with that. That's got to be something we add. So of course, we haven't just got one, we haven't just got two. There's a few of them coming out of the box for you. I have a feeling a lot of you might like those and enjoy playing with them too. Then we've got those 8x8 pads, again in 8x8, in the reds and of course in the oranges to complete that trio as well. Some stickles coming back in stock. We do absolutely hundreds of colours of stickles, genuinely hundreds of them. So there's some yellows, some golds and some reds all returning. Then we've got a couple of oxide inks. I didn't have many oxide inks, but we got the ones that we could. There is some Brilliance ink pads as well. This is the Moonlight White and one of the best white ink pads that there is on the market in my opinion. Very important to mention those. Then there is some Sweet Dixie embossing powder. Just like her dies, Sweet Dixie comes to us at very reasonable recommended retail prices, and we do a whole collection of their embossing powders that you're going to find on the website as well. Very, very, very reasonably priced. That one is the Mirror Gold. Then coming out of the box, we have got some glossy accents. Now we do this in the big and the little, so if you just want to get a little sample bottle of it, you can. But glossy accents, you use it directly from the bottle. It's got an ultra fine nozzle to it, and it dries with like a domed varnished effect. Very good at highlighting little details, making glossy finishes, especially if you buy some of the kind of plain uncoated papers and bits, or maybe print pictures you want to add details to, or maybe you want to make things look like little cabochons. You can do that with that product. That's going to work a treat for you. Try with a sample size bottle if you wish to, and then upgrade and save money on the big one later down the road. Then we've got our alcohol blending solution. This of course works with our blending inks. We do lots and lots of the alcohol inks in store and online. That is the one that you're going to need to kind of stretch those out and do different effects with. Then in this little box, we have got, oh, it's back in stock, the Nocturne Versifying Clair inks. These are returning. So let's have a little look. What else have we got? Oh, we've got another little box. What's in this one? Oh, it's like Christmas, isn't it? What's in here? Oh, little distressed dauber tools. Now, these are the rounded ones. They've got a nice rounded cushion to them. Quite often when we talk about the distress tools, we expect them to have flat bottoms. These ones don't. They have rounded ones, which can help a lot with your blending. And those are the mini ones. I have a feeling there's more of those. These prove rather popular. So, oh no, wait there. They might be the tools. Here you go. So here are the tools to go with them, so that you've got the actual applicator the right size to work with those little mini ends, if that's what you would like to work with. Then we have another little box here. I think this might be more Nocturne. It is. There's some more Nocturne to add to the pile. Then we go on to Ciao Bella. So what have we got in the Ciao Bella range? Now this is always very tricky. We can never guarantee we're going to get lots of these. And quite often when they're gone, they're gone. So if you like the look of the journals, you always want to grab them while we've got them. These are the Junk Journal and Ephemera books. So that one, of course, is the Frozen Land. Then we have this one. This is one of the new ones, and it has proven so popular, but we have managed to get a few more. This, of course, is the Afternoon Tea, and there is also one of the Venice ones. Now, I had a request to show you inside one of these, so I'm going to try and do this quickly. We did do a video where we went into these in more depth at one stage, but just quickly, because they're not what you would expect. In here, we talk about junk journals. You possibly expect like a little mini album or something. These are not. These are cutting sheets. These are sticker sheets. You can cut all of these elements out and you can choose to use them as you wish, whether you use them for card making or, of course, scrapbooking. It's up to you. But not only are you going to find elements you can cut out, you're going to find matching papers to coordinate with them. So whether you take this into card making, home decor, scrapbooking, journaling, the choice is completely yours. But actually, although we call them a junk journal, to me these are more like a sticker book with matching papers and patterns and cutting sheets to go with them. And you can see you get absolutely loads. And these shiny pages, as we're going past these are stickers. You can literally cut them out, use the bits you want to do, peel them off and stick them on. Whether you die cut them, add to them, the choice is yours. And like these elements, this is a great time to bring in those glossy glazes we was looking at and add some glaze over the top and actually highlight some of them areas. But as you can see, value for money wise, loads and loads and loads in there. Then when we get to the last pages, we have got the ability to cut out and create envelopes with patterned inserts. So maybe these are envelopes we're going to put matching cards into, maybe they're envelopes that we're going to put into our journals and put bits and bobs into. The choice is yours, but these work out to be incredible value when you add up how many papers, how many stickers, how many elements you're getting in each book, which is why they are so popular. And when we get them, it's very rare we can get them twice, let alone any more than that. Artemis. This has been very popular. This is one of the paper pads we try and keep in stock at the moment. It's one of the latest ones from Ciao Bella, and it comes in 8x8, 12x12 and 6x6. Then we have got a little run on Distress Oxide Minis. So we've got the colouring that we are missing. We have all of the others available for you as well. But that, of course, is the lovely pinks and red sets. Then we've got some Distress pencils coming out of here. These are the watercolour pencils. Then we mentioned Distress Oxides. We have been waiting on some more of these coming in. Let's have a little dig. There is loads of these coming out now. Let's just start popping them all down here, and you can see that there is a bit of a selection. We try to carry the complete colour range of oxide inks at all times. So if we haven't had the one you've been looking for a while, it might be now it's coming back in stock. Plus clay is another one of the items we carry. We do lots of different types of clay here, from air drying clays right the way through to baking clays, Sculpey clay, plus clay. The list goes on, but this is one of the very popular ones. This is the plus clay range, and it comes in about 6 or 8 different colours. But that one is your natural one, returning back in stock once again. Then at the bottom here, we have got Artist Sketch markers. These are an alcohol-based permanent ink with an ultra-fine tip. These are incredible. They're done by Zig, which is actually done by a company called Kataki, which I'm probably pronouncing wrong, but it's a very well-known Japanese pen brand. They're top quality. And there's a few of them. Then we've got, for the first time, Memento black ink pens. So all of the things you can do with your Memento ink pad, imagine being able to do that in pen form. At one end we have a bullet tip, at the other end we have a brush tip. Now these are the pens that are of course friendly with alcohol markers. So maybe you've stamped with Memento, missed a little bit as we sometimes do, but wanted to colour in with alcohol markers and didn't want to scrap the image you've just done. Fill in the missing bit with the pen, nobody will know that you missed a bit. Or of course there is a million other reasons you might want those pens to do your own doodles, your own backgrounds, and then colour over the top of alcohol markers and know that it's not going to mark or move at all. More of those artist pens coming out of here. Then these are new. These are exciting and they are new. And we have a whole selection of these. These are Zig calligraphy pens. And these are, again, so they're done by the same company, that Kuretake I mentioned earlier, from Japan, I believe. And these are like your metallic ones. We've got a bullet tip at one end and a chisel tip at all. We've got that is a chisel at the other end, isn't it? Yes, a chisel there, so that you can do your calligraphy effects with them. So this is really good. Again, when we talk about journaling, when we talk about scrapbooking, I write like a doctor, so it's nice to have something that can disguise my handwriting. I'm not suddenly going to become an amazing calligraphist. If I was, then of course these are a good pen for using for that. But actually, it might mean that I just want to put some swanky bits onto a few of my words to just distract the eye from how terrible my handwriting is. These are the type of pens that are going to help you to just elevate your kind of writing a little bit. Now, I've spoke about those ones in detail, but what I didn't tell you at the time is, with that calligraphy idea in mind, there is loads of these in the box, all different colourways, different tips on each of them, as you can see. So large chisel tips at one end, smaller ones at the other end, and these are coming into us for the very first time in colourway packs. So you can see in this one you've got yellow, orange, brown. In this one under my finger you've got 3 shades of blue. In this one you've got 3 shades of green. Do not fear, I have more to go through. There is loads of them, and they are all heading onto the website in all of your different colourways. So again, whether you're scrapbooking, whether you're journaling, whether you just like to write nice fancy notes and diaries and bullet points and all of those sort of things, we've got some posh pens for you to play with and have a little look at. And then the last things in my box, that was a good box, wasn't it? There was a lot in that box. Last things in the box is some acetate and some more Ciao Bella pads. This, of course, is the Forest Tales collection in 12x12. That completes all of the bits and bobs from our box today. There's a bit of a selection going on there, isn't there? What's your newest thing you're in love with? Do you like the look of those Rolodexes? Do you like the idea of the Tim Holtz paper pads? Are you all over those Zig pens? Or was this the first time you've seen inside a junk journal and gone, do you know what, I need one of those? Let us know in the comments what your favourite bits are. We're always here to find out more about what you're liking. As always, you can buy all of these items in store here at Craftmania, which is located at 5 Hewitt Road, Captain Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Or, of course, you can pop online to www.craftmaniacrafts.com, where all of this little lot and 10,000 other items are available for your shopping perusal. Now, if you do wish to purchase and you're here within the UK, if you spend over £15, your UK P&P is completely free. If you wish to spend less than £15, your P&P is capped at £2.95. Whether you spend above £15 or below £15, if you wish to, you can upgrade to first class P&P for a flat rate of £3.95. And if you're watching from abroad and you're going, do you know what, I need to get one of those Rolodexes, I like the look of that, or maybe I want one of those pens, whatever it may be, then of course we will send it to you. Your shipping is capped at just £10. If it costs less than £10, we will refund the difference to you. If it costs more than £10, we will pay it for you at Craftmania, as our way of trying to keep postage costs to a minimum for you wherever you are in the world. If you have any questions about our postage, any of the goodies we've looked at, or anything else we can help you with here at Craftmania, please do not hesitate to pop them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them for you. Thank you very much for joining me today. I really, truly look forward to seeing you all again soon for the next unboxing. Bye for now.